Hello guys, how are you doing today? I'm so excited. That is because of this product I have right in front of me. Gosh, so I and my husband have been trying to plant. We've had 2 attempts that have failed, and at the end of the second attempt we just thought to ourselves, maybe this is just not for us. So we've not made any attempt at planting anything. I think in one of my previous vlogs I told you guys about the planting that we had done. So we've tried to plant like 2 times and both attempts have failed, and so we thought to ourselves, probably this is not it for us, and we stopped attempting. But I'm happy with this product because with this product all of those problems are over. We can plant with the assurance that our plants will definitely sprout, germinate, grow, and yield harvest for us. And the beautiful thing about this product is that we can plant from anywhere. We can plant anywhere in the house. We can do indoor or outdoor. We can plant, we can place this anywhere we want to, and it's very much easy to maintain. So guys, today stay with me as I unbox and share with you this beautiful product. This is Ahopegarden. It's a 12 pods planter, and the idea behind this type of planter is what we call hydroponic garden. And the idea behind hydroponics is using water-based nutrient solution rather than soil. So one of the problems that we observed that affected our planting attempts previously was that the soil in which we planted, the different soil, because we're in different locations that we planted, were not good for planting. Though we tried another attempt by using like artificial beddings and all, but it still didn't work. But all of those problems are over because now rather than using soil, we're going to be using a water-based solution. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this product with you and showing you all the things that came in this product. And in another video, I'm going to be showing you my planting progress. I'm going to be showing the progress of the plants, and right now I'm still thinking about what I'm going to plant in here, but we can take a guess. I have an idea of, like, there's one particular plant I know that I want to have because I use it a lot. So it would be such a nice idea to have it in my own house. So the first thing that we have in here, we have the warranty. So there's a 24-month warranty on this product, and we have the user guide. So yeah, so let's bring out the product itself. Can you see the products? And the beautiful thing I like about the product is that the size is not too big, so you can almost have it like part of your house, as part of your indoor decoration. It's blending well as a form of decoration inside your house. So it's not, okay, so that's all that we have in here. So I'm going to put this away, and then we're going to look at this. So but before I put it away, so we have so you need 17 watts of electricity. Product consumption is 17 watts of electricity. And you can plant different things. You can plant flowers, seasoning, plants, vegetable, herbs, and the noise is actually very low. I have read reviews about this product online. Part of the things that a lot of people like and appreciate about it is that the noise is very low. Like, you can hardly hear any noise. The noise is very, very low, so you don't have to worry about sound or noise in your home. So how do I turn this on? Okay. Yeah, so we have lights on from here. So you have light emitting from here, and this height is adjustable, so you can push it in and pull out as you want to whatever height that you want. So there are 12 pods in here that you can plant. 1, 7, 10, 12. Yeah, so we have 12 pods. Confirmation. Confirmito. And please don't tell me that's not Spanish or French. Okay, so here, what do we have here? Let me see what we have here. So here we have the basket. We're supposed to have 12 of them. So we have the baskets first, 12 of them to place in the pots. Next we have sponge. Let's open this as well so I can show you what this is. We have the sponge. We have 12 of these as well. Yeah. So we have covers. These are covers. We have these. So you can see we have tags. We have 6 of them in here. I'm just going to put this aside. Let's see what else we have in here. We have covers. These are the covers. So we have 6 of the covers as well. We have the covers. We have 6 of the covers as well. And we have, let me see what else we have in here. And we're going to put this to the test to see how it works. So currently what I know about those products, for plants that have big seed, you're supposed to soak them for at least like 6 hours before. Sorry, I'm tearing like this. I'm just, oh, this is the plug. We have the plug in here. And let's see what we have in here. Is a solution. They call it B solution composition, A solution composition. So we have 2 solutions in here, A and B. Actually, I confirmed this is not the cover. These are the grow domes. We have 12 of them in here. So this is called a grow dome. In here we have more baskets. Yeah, we have more baskets in here. So I think all of the things that we need are in here. We also have label stickers. We have to label the different pods, you know, just so you can differentiate them. You have that here. So in here we have the tweezers. We have the tweezer, 1 tweezer, and we have the tags. I've showed you the tags earlier. So these are all the things that came in the product. So I'm going to show you how to use this product.